Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new around here. My name's Eliza and thank you so much for joining me today for this video, because in today's video I actually wanted to talk to you about the Louis Vuitton ONTHEGO MM size, which I was lucky enough to put my hands on. Now let's face it, this is one of the it bags that everyone is talking about, and I thought I will do this short and sweet review and share with you my thoughts on this particular bag. Now, if you're interested, please keep on watching and let's get started. Now, let's start with the positive things about this bag. And the first thing that I really like about this bag, and I didn't expect that, is the size. This bag is very tiny. Despite being called a tote bag, it has a very convenient handbag size, which is absolutely adorable, because look at that, this bag is literally tiny. I think that the contrast between the giant monogram and the normal size monogram looks so classy and chic, and this sort of new approach makes this bag look so unique. And I do believe that this size in particular will work perfectly with any outfit that you have in your wardrobe, because if you're wearing something light, you can use this side to show, or you can use this side when you're wearing something darker. And I think this is so remarkably versatile, just that it makes this bag stand out absolutely. Now, I really like all the small details about this bag, and I think it's such a cool idea to combine a classic monogram with the giant version of it, and this combination makes this bag so unique. Let's take a look at all the tiny details of this bag, and as you can see, all the stitching is spot on, all the details are just great, everything is made flawlessly, and look at that, this makes me feel so good. I mean, this is just a perfect bag, to be honest. Now let's take a closer look inside. And despite being called a tote bag, as I told before, it has a very convenient handbag size. It has a very large side pocket that goes deep down to the bottom. Then we have two side pockets for your phone, maybe cards and the wallet. And the inner part is has a very large compartment. Of course, if you like, you can use a bag organizer, but for me, this is just good as it is. Another great thing that I love about this bag are definitely the straps. As you can see, it has two pairs of straps, one for the top handle and the others are for the shoulders, and I find it quite convenient and absolutely comfortable for this size of the bag, because it's not too big and it sits perfectly on your shoulder just like that. I think it's super convenient and comfortable. Now, I really like this size of the bag, because it can fit a lot of things inside: your laptops, some miscellaneous items, some makeup items, your phone, your wallet, everything. And I think that this makes this bag very handy for everyday use, because it's surprisingly big. Being so small, it's surprisingly big, which I love about this bag. But before purchasing this bag, of course, I made a bit of a research, and I've seen a lot of people complaining about the glazing of this bag, but honestly, I inspected my bag very carefully and I didn't find anything. The glazing is perfect on the both handles and those tiny details here. This is absolutely spot on. I will give you a close-up. Now, maybe it depends on the country where this bag was produced, but I inspected my bag really carefully and I couldn't find any faults whatsoever. Everything, stitching, glazing, attention to details, it just spot on. This is for me a perfect bag. I mean, I couldn't find anything to complain about. Now let me repeat myself again, because the attention to detail is simply outstanding, and I like every single detail about this bag, especially the scarlet lining. I think this makes the whole look of the bag so unique, so elegant and so classy, because like this is a true Louis Vuitton despite these huge monograms, because at first you might think, oh, this huge monogram might not work with my outfits, but believe me, this is such a minimalist, elegant bag that you can have in your wardrobe. This is simply amazing. Honestly, I love how structured this bag really is, because it's made out of very like hard canvas, which makes it look so structured and so good. And you don't really need to have any organizer inside. How convenient everything is about this bag. So yeah, now as I mentioned before, I couldn't find any faults whatsoever. Everything is just perfect, and I was so happy to put my hands on that bag. Now if you're interested where did I get this bag, please contact me directly on Instagram or here on YouTube, and I will share with you all my details about this particular beauty, because I think this bag is such a gem to have in your collection. It's perfect for everyday use, and it's just such a classic piece that I'm so happy to have, really. Now if you really like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon on my next one. Bye!